Rotate trapezium T 180 degrees about the origin. Label the new trapezium A. So the easiest way to do this in an exam is by using tracing paper. So what you would do is place your tracing paper in this area here. Using a pencil, draw over the trapezium T. And you can also draw an arrow so you can see how many degrees you've rotated the paper. And then you're going to want to place your pencil on the origin and then rotate your tracing paper 180 degrees. And after this rotation, your arrow which you've drawn should be pointing downwards. Now after your 180 degree rotation, you should have a trapezium in this top left quadrant here, and it should look something like this. And we've been told to label the new trapezium A. Translate trapezium T by the vector -1, -3. Label the new trapezium B. So with vectors, the top number is our x-axis, and then the bottom number is our y-axis. So if we want to translate this trapezium by this vector, we're going to want to move all of the coordinates to the left by 1 point, and then down by 3 points. So you can either do this in one go, or do it in two separate parts. So if we start off with the first point, this is point 2, -1. So first we'll minus 1 from the x-coordinate, which will give us 1, and then minus 3 from the y-coordinate, which will give us -4. And we can draw across here. Next, the coordinate 4, -1. So again we'll minus 1 from the x-coordinate and minus 3 from the y-coordinate, and this will give us the coordinate 3, -4. Next, 5 and -2, so minus 1 from the x-axis and then minus 3 from the y-axis, and this will give us 4, -5. And as you can see, we're starting to form a trapezium shape. So our final point is 2, -2. So again, minus 1 from the x-axis and minus 3 from the y-axis, and this should give us an answer of 1, -5. And now the final thing to do to complete this question is join the crosses which we've drawn. And this is trapezium B. Now this question is worth 2 marks. We'll get our first mark for correctly drawing trapezium A, and our second mark for correctly drawing trapezium B.